How do you become addicted to discipline in just one day? Is it even possible? Look, the truth is you're not lazy. You're not even unmotivated. You're just addicted to being comfortable. And that addiction is literally destroying your life. While everyone's out here acting like motivation is gonna save them, like some magic pill they can take once and suddenly become a beast, the real ones know that discipline isn't something you wait to feel, it's something you choose to become. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to become addicted to discipline in just one day. Not 1 week, not 1 month, today. So if you're ready to actually change your life and stop being a slave to your emotions, this is for you. I'm Fred, and just a few years ago, I was this kid full of dreams and ambitions, but I'd spend my entire days procrastinating, avoiding the hard work, and running away from the excruciating pain I felt. Until one day, I decided to confront it because I came to the realization that if I didn't change, I would stay poor, miserable, and lonely for the rest of my life. And that to me was the ultimate tragedy. Now fast forward to today, I've easily woken up at 5 a.m. and worked 4 days on my consulting business, which have grown to over $2,600 a day in profit in my early 20s. Look, here's the first thing you need to understand. Being disciplined isn't some side quest you pick up when you're feeling good about yourself. It's not a hobby. It's your new identity. This is who you are now. You don't try to be disciplined. You are disciplined. There's a massive difference between the two, but most people never figure it out. They wake up on a random Tuesday, feeling motivated after watching some inspirational video, and they tell themselves, okay, today is the day I'm gonna change for good. And then, by Thursday morning, they're back to their old habits, wondering what the hell went wrong. What went wrong is that you treated discipline like a mood, a feeling, instead of treating it like it's your new identity. Let me give you a real example from my own life. When I started wanting to take care of my health and fitness when I was 11 years old, every single workout felt like absolute torture. It was horrible. Like, I wanted to quit every single time. My body hurt. I was out of breath. I hated it. But I kept showing up. And you know what happened? Now if I skip a workout, I feel like absolute garbage. It feels genuinely uncomfortable to do so. Why? Because exercising isn't something I do anymore. It's part of who I am. It's baked into my identity. My brain doesn't see it as optional anymore. It sees skipping a workout the same way it would be not to brush my teeth. It just feels wrong. That's the level you need to get to. When discipline becomes who you are, you don't really need motivation anymore. You just do it because that's what you do. That's it. A lesson I had to learn the hard way is that you need to stop negotiating with yourself. Every single time you break a promise you made to yourself, you're literally killing your self-belief and self-confidence. Think about it. You tell yourself you're gonna wake up at 6 a.m., then the alarm goes off and you hit snooze until 8. You promise yourself you're gonna study for 2 hours, then you scroll on your phone for 3 hours instead. Every time you do this, you're teaching your brain that your word means absolutely nothing. You're training yourself to not trust yourself. And once that happens, you're cooked. Because now, before you ever say you're going to do something, you already know deep down you won't actually do it. So you don't even try. Or you half-ass your effort because what's the point anyway? You don't trust yourself. Here's the thing that makes this even worse. Your brain is nasty because it knows all your weak spots. It knows exactly what to say to make you quit. It's the hardest negotiator you'll ever have to face because it has access to all your insecurities, all your excuses, all your past failures. It'll hit you with, oh, you're too tired today. Just do it tomorrow. Or you earned it, you can rest, you deserve a break. Or my personal favorite, oh, let's just start Monday, or next week, or tomorrow. Today doesn't matter. And if you keep negotiating with this voice in the back of your head, if you keep giving in, you're building a relationship with yourself where you're the person who quits. You're the kind of person who doesn't follow through. So stop negotiating with your brain. When you say you're gonna do something, you do it. Period. That's how you build unshakable self-confidence. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, if you really want to become disciplined, we need to fix your shitty environment by making sure it's designed for success. Listen, you don't need to be strong all day. You don't need some superhuman willpower. All you need is to eliminate opportunities to be weak or to do the easy thing. People think discipline is about battling every single urge that comes your way, like you're a warrior fighting demons all day long. But in reality, The smartest thing you can do is to pre-structure your environment so the path of least resistance is the disciplined action instead of the easy action. Make it easier to do the right thing than the wrong thing. Let me break this down for you. If you're trying to eat healthy, but your kitchen is filled with chips and cookies and ice cream, you're making it hard on yourself for no reason. You're relying on willpower when you could just not buy that stuff in the first place. Now, if you're not living alone, that's fine. Just put it somewhere where it's hidden when you don't see it. If you're trying to wake up early, but your phone is right next to your bed, so you can hit snooze without even opening your eyes, you're setting yourself up to fail. Put your alarm across the room. If you're trying to focus on work, but you've got every social media app sending you notifications every 5 seconds, delete them off your phone. Your environment is either working for you or against you. There's no neutral. So take 30 minutes and actually think about what's making it hard for you to be disciplined. Then change it. Remove the friction from good habits and add friction to bad habits. This alone will change your life. I'm not joking. Now, this is going to shock some people, but if you want to reach your goals quickly, you need to forget about the outcome, the end goal that you want. But there's a reason for that. I'm not one of those people that will tell you that the destination doesn't matter and that it's all about the journey. I don't think that's the case at all. Because without the destination in mind, you wouldn't go on the journey in the first place. We want to fall in love with the daily process. And all these people you see on social media, waking up at 5 a.m., hitting the gym, working a full 8 to 10 hours, they don't have more willpower than you do. They're not built any different. They just enjoy the process. They actually enjoy the daily grind. And that's why they can do it for years. And guess what? To be successful at whatever you do, you need to do it for years. That's the secret nobody tells you about, because everybody wants the shortcut, the hack, the easy way. But there isn't one. Here's a perfect example. 2 people both want to lose weight. The first person, let's say person A, hates their diet, counts down the days until it's over, views every healthy meal as a sacrifice, and they can't wait to go back to eating whatever they want, whenever they want. Person B actually enjoys their diet. They like how they feel when they eat clean. They look forward to their meals. They see it as taking care of themselves. Who do you think is going to get in shape? And more importantly, who's going to stay in shape? You already know the answer. Person A might lose some weight through pure willpower, but the second they hit their goal, they're going to bounce right back because they never actually enjoyed the process. Person B is going to get in shape and stay in shape forever because they're not waiting for it to be over. They're living a lifestyle they genuinely enjoy. So stop obsessing over the end result and start figuring out how to make the daily process something you actually want to do. Find a workout you don't hate. Find healthy food you actually like eating. Find a morning routine that makes you feel good instead of miserable and exhausted. Because if there's one thing I can guarantee you, it's that if you're just white-knuckling your way through life, waiting for some future version of yourself to be happy, you're going to quit. Guaranteed. You have to fall in love with what you're doing every single day, not just the outcome you want to have in 6 months to 6 years. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, there's something you need to understand. You can change. I know you've probably told yourself 1,000 times that you're just not a disciplined person, that some people have it and some people don't, and it's just not in your nature. It's not who you are. That is complete dog shit. People love to think they are a certain type of person and that's it. That is who they are forever. This thinking is very flawed. It's comfortable to think that way because then you don't have to take responsibility for changing, for doing something. You can just shrug it off and say, well, that's just not me, and continue living the same mediocre life. But here's the truth. Discipline grows from repeated small wins. It's like a muscle that you train. Every single time you do what you said you were gonna do, you get a tiny bit more disciplined. You trust yourself more. And that makes doing the next thing easier. Every single time you choose the hard thing over the easy thing, you're building that discipline muscle. You're not born disciplined or undisciplined. You become disciplined through your actions. Think about it like this. The most disciplined person you know wasn't always that way. They made a decision one day to start showing up for themselves. They did it once, and then they did it again. And then they did it again, and then they did it again. Until eventually it became automatic. Eventually it became their new identity. You have that same ability. You're not uniquely incapable of change. You're just a human being who hasn't built the habit yet. But you can, starting right now. You can decide that the old version of you, the version of you who negotiated, who quit, who made excuses, that person doesn't exist anymore. You can decide to become someone new right now, and then you can prove it to yourself through your actions. Say you're gonna wake up at 6 and actually fucking do it. If you want to become addicted to discipline in just one day, here's what you're gonna do after you finish watching this video. You're gonna pick one thing. Just one thing that you've been saying you'll do but you haven't done yet. Maybe it's waking up earlier. Maybe it's working out consistently. Maybe it's studying. Maybe it's starting a new project or a business. Whatever it is, you're gonna start today. Not tomorrow, I said today. And you're gonna do it without negotiating with yourself, without making excuses, without waiting to feel motivated. You're just gonna do it because that's who you are now. You're a person who keeps their word to themselves. And then tomorrow, you're gonna do it again. And then the day after that. And you're gonna watch as discipline stops being this thing you have to force and starts being this thing you just are. Now get off this video and go prove to yourself that you're capable of way more than you think. If you'd like me to teach you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my consulting business, I've made a free training for you in which I'm going to reveal the only 3 keys you need to make this happen. The link will be in the description below. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team, and we'll help you implement everything step by step. I'll give you a custom game plan. Now be quick, we've got very limited spots for that. Link below. I will see you on the other side.